Muslim salt. Well, hi guys, welcome to Marty. Sorry, that's about. I just kept it there for a reason. When it's Teach Tuesday, and I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to do stuff. Today, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to do your hair because nobody really knows how to do it right, or you still don't know how to brush your hair. You need your daddy or mommy to brush it. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to brush your hair. Okay, first, you're gonna go to the sink. The sink is gonna be on. You hear that water running? That's on. Okay, so you dump your hand. Okay, so your hair is wet. Next thing you're gonna do is get a towel, wherever your towel is. And you're gonna go, oh, you're gonna brush it off so it goes dry. Next, you're gonna have a whole bunch of Gorilla. This Gorilla Gel is gonna be awesome. You guys can buy this in the store. And you just dump a whole bunch in your hand. Boom. There we go. You see? A whole bunch. It's going like that. You see? It's sticking. And you just go, and it will do your hair really good. You see? I'm almost done. Cool hairstyle. And that will make your hair go spiky up. If you're a girl, you could just put it down because girls' hair down looks good. Okay, so now you're gonna get a brush or a comb. I like using comb because comb says cool in it. And you're just gonna brush it up, brush it. And then you're gonna go like that. And then just brush it up. So everybody knows you're cool when you brush up your hair. There we go. You brushed it up. That looks amazing. That looks like Tintin. Next thing, you're going to get your brush. Because brushing your hair is always good. And well, this is how you do your hair. You go up. And you go up everywhere. Make sure you have that cool actor look. If you don't like actors or you don't like actresses, then well, you're lost because everybody watches movies. So yeah. So you're gonna do that to your hair and wait a couple minutes. It's gonna dry off. Keep on brushing, and then boom, cool hairstyle. It's gonna be the best you ever had. Next, what you're gonna do? I like to do this. Most people think I'm crazy. They're like, put floss in your hair. What are you talking about? But you guys are gonna have to put floss in your hair because the dentists say if you floss your teeth, it's gonna smell good. So I guess if you floss your hair, it's gonna smell good as well. So I floss it all around. I go up and down, I go side to side, I go everywhere. And then it's gonna make your hair look amazing. Amazing, more amazing than amazing is. Just keep on flossing it, guys. Keep on flossing it. And then boom, you have your cool hairstyle. Well, that's how you guys get cool hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is Teach Tuesday on Marty Dude's channel. My channel. It's Marty Dude. I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys like Gorilla Snot, then buy Gorilla Snot at the store. But I'm not leaving it in, so because I don't know where it's located at. So I hope you guys have an amazing day. I love you. I hope this Teach Tuesday really good. Okay? Make sure to subscribe and I'll see you guys later. Make sure to hit the thumbs up. Okay. I love you guys. Stop looking at me. I'm brushing my hair. Okay. So I know how to finally turn off the camera. So I'm just gonna get out on this room by pressing just this button. It's unbelievable.